This is how we are going to handle it. We are going to write 2 raised by x plus 3 equals to 32. Remember, it is the same principle. We are going to equate, our plan is to equate the basis. So bring 2 here, and that gives us 2 raised by x plus 3. So how do I make it to be 2? Is by raising it to the power of, I'm going to look for a number that will be the exponent right here, okay, to give us 32. And that number is 5. Because 2 times 2, okay, that number is 5, because 2 raised by 5 is equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 16. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. And 16 times 2 is 32. That is the implication of it. So we are placing 2 raised by 5 here so that the base can be equal, which means we have 2 raised by 5 right at the right hand side. So we can let this go. Now that we have achieved our aim of equating the base, the next thing we are going to do is to, can you see now, is to take the exponent. So at the left hand side, we have x plus 3 equals 5, because the bases are not equal. Since the bases are not equal, just simply equate the powers, or sorry, not the power, yes, the exponent. We call it the exponent because exponential equations involving exponents. That's the meaning. So we can simply transfer this one here. Let's take this one to this other side. If we achieve that, we are now going to have x equals to 5. When plus 5 is crossing, changes to minus. When plus is crossing, rather, changes to minus. So this becomes minus 3. And this gives us x equals 5 minus 3 is 2. If you want to check if you are correct, bring these two, put it here. 2 plus 3 is 5, and 2 raised by 5 is 32, just like we have proven it before. So that is the solution to the question. I do hope it is well understood.